We are Josephine Makanya Primary School. We want clean beaches.
Hi everyone, I am Eli Sheshozi. I go to Reserve Hills Secondary School. I am a finalist of Miss SINW 2025 and we are right here at Umbogintwini Beach just to keep it clean.
We are from Umbogintwini Primary School and we are at Twini Beach doing a beach cleanup because we want clean beaches.
Hi, I'm Adi Bura with the 1st Umbogintwini Scouts. We're here to clean up, to save our future for our younger generations so that they can have the beauty of the beaches.
Hi, I'm Titugo Matebula from Amkoma's Makapeni. I'm here to pick up dirt, of course.
Hi, my name is Ne. We are from Amkomas. We're here representing Amkomas Primary and meant to clean up the beach.
Hi, good day. I'm Gazelle Hall. I'm from First Amendment Poti Scouts and we're here to support the International Beach Cleanup Day and also to make the environment better for future generations.
Hey guys, we're from Amazon Tilton Primary and we're here to clean the beach. We're here from Amazon Tilton Primary School.
And we're here to make a difference. So we've been picking up lots of litter and despite the weather, we are doing our bit.